Not another dog coin. SHIBA, INU, SHIBA. Is it going to explode? Has it exploded? Is it too late to get some? Well, it's never too late because here we are always jumping into the charts, looking at SHIBA and where we can find a good area for a dollar cost average. Now, if you like this kind of content, smash that like button, join us in the free Discord. Everything is free here, and all I ask is your time. So let's take a look at SHIBA. So we've had a move up. Now, unlike Boink or Bonk or whatever you want to call it, and Doge, we haven't had as significant as a pump. Now, with these meme coins, we need to be very careful. Now, we can see we are coming up to a level that is very, very strong, which is the point of control here. So we're going to go through together and mark out these areas of confluence where we can look for a dollar cost average in order to build confluence within our trading system and help you set limit orders on your exchanges to buy up these coins at better prices, right? Because we know how scammy and wicky some of these coins can be. So if we set limit orders at key levels and front run these a little bit, we can grab those lower prices because obviously we're preparing for a bull run. It hasn't happened yet. You are not late. However, you could miss the bus if you don't get in soon. So we want to be protecting ourselves to the upside and also knowing where good levels are to the downside. So let's look at this. We've marked out some key levels here. Now, do we think we're going to get all the way down here? Now, I'm going to say it's hard because there's a lot of zeros here, friends. There's a lot of zeros here. So I'm going just to say the number, okay? 8849999. You can see it here. Okay, so I don't think we're going to get down to 78 here. Okay, I don't know what this isn't cents. This is like monopoly money. However, it has moved quite a lot. 40% we're back up here. Okay, so if you believe in meme coins, you believe in the narrative, they bring in a lot of people, we can be prepared for possible, massive pumps all the way to the absolute stratosphere here. 15x possible. It's always possible in the crypto world. So let's prepare. Where can we dollar cost average and grab some SHIB? Okay, so we've marked this out for you guys. And look, it's pretty well respected. You can see you can actually throw one here. Bang. Okay, and now we're going to pull a fib like we always do. We always like to pull our fib. Make sure to pull your fib and don't tell anybody about it. Okay, so make sure you're always pulling the fib. And now let's see. Okay, so we've broken out of this area. Now looking at this objectively, what can we see? We can see that there's key level of volume above where we've just pushed up to now. Right, so our key level of support that we must hold in order to continue up is at 993. Okay, we are all the way up at this 10 area. Okay, we'll call it 10 cents. Okay, 993. We'll call that 90 cents. Okay, just for ease of communication between you and I here. So this 993 has held as support, and you can see it's held as support multiple times in the past. So that's nice to see that it's flipped up here. However, if we do lose this support, where are we going to go, right? Where are we going to go? Now, I think the best area of confluence is always going to be your golden pocket 786 retracement area. Okay, so this is a very key area we can see on the chart. So we'll get rid of the fib, and we've marked out that area. So if we do end up losing this area, okay, so let's say we bounce around in here, and then we end up losing this area, we'll look for this area initially to hold as support. And you can see it's acted as a key level of resistance until we were able to massively push through this area and get through it. Okay, so if we go on our 4 hour, we can probably see, yes, there is some price action here. So if we do work our way back down, we'll delete this. We could see ourselves coming back down to this level right here. Now this level is at 93, okay, 93. We'll straighten this out and make it nice for you guys. Now with these levels, I suggest that you take these levels that I'm giving you, and if you're setting limit orders, you want to set it a little bit in front. You want to front run these just a little bit just to guarantee you get that entry. Now you see, look here, let's zoom in. Perfect example. I didn't even plan this way, but look at this. Boom. You didn't front run it here. You just had the exact level and it didn't get there, okay? And you missed the boat. You missed the boat. And that is a nice 11% gain, okay? That's an 11% gain, which would be nice to see that transpire when we get the massive pump. It would mean a lot more money for you. So that's why we make these videos. So you want to front run these areas, okay? These areas. Now, the most important, I think, level for us to retrace to would be down below here. Now, this would be beautiful if we got to this 88-cent area. Remember to front run, but if we get there, that would be beautiful, okay? That would be the main area that I'm looking to dollar cost average into SHIBA. Now, this is not financial advice. Make sure to do your own research, but you can see we have held this resistance for quite some time. We have broken through 88 cents, whatever you want to call it, 88 monopoly dollars can help you as well. And then we have another level here at 84, okay? So these are your main levels that I'm looking for us to hold. If we fail and we do get pushed up, well, then you have some levels above you that are going to act as resistance, and that's at 10.09, and then you have another one here at this 11.09 as well. So you do have resistance above you. However, I don't believe SHIB has had the move that a lot of others have. So you can see, I believe there is still quite a possibility for a dip down and a continuation to the upside. I hope this gets to you well. Thank you so much for your time. I appreciate you. Hit that subscribe button if you enjoy this stuff, and I'll see you in the next one. Much love.